Republic of South Sudan, Ministry of Interior, South Sudan National Police Service, Office of the Inspector General of Police. Subject: cancellation of directive of the Director of Traffic Police, which read: duration of driving license is 1 year for nationals and 6 months for foreign nationals. Dear public, the Office of the Inspector General of Police is hereby notifying the public on the cancellation made on the above directive issued by the Director of Traffic Police date 4th January 2025. Hence, the public is advised that the driving license shall be valid until for a period of 5 years, at which they must be renewed upon presentation to the licensing authority along with the requisite fee. It is imperative for all license holders to adhere to this directive to ensure compliance with the law and to maintain the validity of their driving credential. We apologize for any inconveniences the directives of the Director of Traffic Police has caused.